Hi, today we're gonna repair rust from this to this and this to this. So let's get started, and for this kind of the job we will require all these tools. So it is the wire brush. I'm using an elbow grease. Also we need a sandpaper. So following grids will be needed. The anti-rust solvent. It is a product and a primer which is related to remove all the rust from your car. Also the body filler or bondo might be required if repair area is in really visible place. Here I have the plastic card for applying the bondo and the ceramic tail for mixing it. Then we will need the primer. Also a body paint. I'm using a specific paint code which is related to my car. This is the common areas where the paint code might be written in your car. Next, the clear coat. Rubbing alcohol or any kind of the degreaser to degrease everything before painting, and of course the masking tape. And don't forget, for this kind of a job we will require a subject, and in this case it is the Mercedes-Benz. So this is the rust, and first step is just grab a wire brush, use your elbow grease and try to remove as much as possible of this. Next I'm grabbing a sandpaper. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper. The higher the number, the smoother the surface will be after the sanding process. Next grab the 320 sandpaper, repeat the process and try to remove everything, all kind of the debris from your car. Clean everything with alcohol, let it dry. It will remove all the gunk which is already on the car. Then grab your anti-rust solvent. If you have it, if you don't have it, you can skip this step and use just a regular primer. I'm using this one because I want to treat the rust and make sure they will not appear in future. After 20 minutes it's changed the color and it's fully cured, so we can begin the masking process. Mask everything what we do not want to paint, so please make sure you're masking everything which is not related to a painting process. Then again we need to rub it with the alcohol, let it evaporate, and we can begin a painting process. So first step of the painting, we need to apply the primer, a light coat. It's fully dry. We can apply the body paint. As I mentioned, I'm using a specific paint code which is related to my car. After 5 minutes we can apply the second coat. Make sure to cover all the area. Once it is dry, we can apply the third coat. After 10 minutes we can already apply the clear coat. So first is let it done. the second one. After it's dry, we can apply the third coat, the last one, and all this hard work is nearly finished. Now once everything is dry, in my case after approximately 20 minutes, we can remove the masking tape. I don't like to leave it overnight. And here you have it. This is the final result. Please hit the subscribe button. Also, this is another rust. It's already, as you see, it's already wire brushed to the bare metal. So again, the same procedure, just a more visible part. So I'm applying again anti-rust solvent. After 20 minutes it's changed the color. Now we can apply a body filler or bondo. As I mentioned, if this part is in more visible space, it will require a body filler. So I'm using a plastic card. You can use your credit card if you would like. Mix everything really well. Then apply the needed amount of the ceramic tail. And put a little bit of the hardener. Mix everything really well. It should be in one color. It should be not visible any kind of the redness. And immediately after that, put everything on the repair area. I'm trying to push as much as possible into the damaged area, just to make sure everything is set it up. After 20 minutes it's already hardened. We can feel it's already ready for a sanding process. For this I'm beginning first from the 320 grit sandpaper and applying my elbow grease and trying to level the surface. You can use a pad or the kitchen sponge to make sure you are not doing any kind of the bumps and you're in the same level as the repair area panel. Yeah, now it's feel really nice. I cannot feel any kind of the bumps. So clean everything with the alcohol, let it evaporate, and we can see the final result. The whiteness, it is our bondo, which is showing that it's really already inside into the damaged area. Now the masking. Once everything is masked, we can already begin the painting procedure. In this kind of case, I'm just straight away applying the body paint. I'm not applying any kind of the primer due to my anti-rust solvent is already have a primer inside. Now once everything is dried up, apply the second coat. I'm trying with the second coat apply as much as possible to cover all the area with the paint. Once everything is dry, more or less in the 5 to 7 minutes, I can apply the clear coat. So it is first coat. Do not rush in this kind of steps because it can leak. Once it is leak, you need to start it over. And now we can apply the second coat, which should be full coverage. I like to apply 2 coats. And we're leaving it to dry. In my case, I leave for about 20 minutes, and this is the final result what we have. So now we can remove all the masking tape and just see how it looks like. And all this takes only 1.5 hours for me to do, so I can bet you can do it even faster. Please let me know what kind of the time it was needed for you. Wow, what a result! We can see how we transform our car from this to this. I'm really excited about that. Please let me know what you think about it. Leave the comment below, hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really matters for me. And let me know what kind of the time was required for you to fix your car rust.